Alright, picture this. Imagine you've got a giant toy box sitting right in the middle of your room. It's colorful, maybe a little worn from years of play, and it's where you keep all your favorite things. Inside there's a treasure trove. Blocks, dolls, cars, balls, and maybe even a few action figures or puzzles you forgot about. Now let's say you're in the mood to play with your red race car. If your toys are sorted and organized, finding that car is a total breeze. You just reach in and grab it. No digging, no mess. That's basically what structured data is all about. Everything has its place, and you know exactly where to look. Structured data is like having every toy in its own special spot, with labels or bins for each type. The cars are parked neatly in one corner, lined up like a little parking lot. The blocks are stacked in a basket, maybe even sorted by color or size. And the dolls? They're chilling on a shelf, each one sitting upright and easy to spot. When you, or let's say an AI robot, wants to find something, it's super easy. You can grab what you need in seconds. It's kind of like a tidy spreadsheet on a computer, with neat columns for name, age, and favorite color. Everything is clear and easy to read. The information is all organized, and the AI can learn really fast because everything's clear, labeled, and in the right place. It's like having a superpower for finding facts. But let's be honest, sometimes that toy box turns into a total mess. Maybe you were in a hurry or just wanted to get to snack time. Maybe you just tossed everything in after playtime, so the cars are mixed with blocks, and the balls are hiding under the dolls. It's a wild jumble. This is what unstructured data looks like. A big, chaotic pile where nothing is sorted or labeled. It's a jumble of pictures, videos, and stories. Kind of like a giant pile of stuff where nothing has a label, and you have to search for what you want. If our AI robot wants to find your red race car now, it has to dig through everything. Moving aside blocks, dolls, and maybe even a puzzle piece or two. It takes more work, but the robot might discover some cool new things like, hey, I didn't know there was a dinosaur toy in here. Sometimes surprises are hidden in the mess. Why does this matter for AI? Well, the way data is organized changes how quickly and how much an AI can learn. If the AI only learned from the neat, structured toy box, it would know basic stuff quickly, like what toys you have and where they belong. But it might miss out on all the wild, creative, or surprising things hiding in the messy box. Sometimes the best ideas come from unexpected places. Unstructured data, like stories, drawings, or random photos, helps AI understand the world in a richer, more flexible way. It's how AI learns about creativity, emotions, and the little details that make life interesting. So, for an AI robot to be truly smart and helpful, it needs both kinds of toy boxes. The neat one for facts, and the messy one for creativity and surprises. The neat toy box gives it facts fast, like your name, your favorite color, or how many cars you have. The messy one teaches it about pictures, stories, and all the unexpected things in life, like that dinosaur toy you forgot about, or a drawing you made last summer. Sometimes you might even organize the messy box together, finding new ways to sort things or creating new categories. That's like AI learning to make sense of unstructured data, finding patterns and connections on its own. That's why when you hear people talk about structured and unstructured data, just remember your toy box. Both types are important for learning and discovery. Both the neat shelves and the wild jumble are super important, because together, they help AI become the best helper it can be. The more it learns from both, the smarter and more creative it gets. Thanks for watching. So keep those toy boxes, both neat and messy, ready for your next adventure, because you never know what you'll discover next.